I'm Nick Boatner. I represent Fox Valley Home Services and Ella Bubbles brand walk-in bathtubs. Today we're going to do a compare and contrast of our bathtubs, comparing them to our largest national competitors' bathtubs. We really want to show you from an installation and a dealer's perspective what makes our bathtub better than the competition, what are the differences, and why we believe our bathtub is better. Today you'll see we're in our factory, in our warehouse. You'll hear the noises of our bathtubs being built, tested. You can see our bathtubs behind us, ready to ship out. So first, if we start with the Ella's bathtub, let's do a quick walkthrough. Aesthetics. The first thing you see when you go up to see your new bathtub, make sure that you're planning on looking at your bathtub. These things have a lifetime warranty. You want it to be beautiful. Ella's Bubbles puts a lot of care into the fit and finish, the details, the stainless steel door, the tempered glass inserts, the chrome grab bars. Everything's coordinated, the bright white high gloss finish. We have some of our competitors' bathtubs as we go through. We're not going to mention brands, but these are all easily recognizable. So this would be tub one. This is one of our huge competitors. You can kind of take it in for yourself. Me personally, when I set out and decided which bathtub am I going to offer to my customers, aesthetics were huge. I want to present folks with a bathtub that's going to look beautiful in your bathroom. This bathtub, for me, didn't have a lot of attention to detail. I didn't have a lot of overwhelming aesthetic value. This bathtub down here, this would be what we would kind of consider your hardware store bathtub, your value bathtub. You pick this up on Amazon and it's delivered the next day. There's not much going on here. Do you have the form and function of a walk-in bathtub? You do, but do you want to look at it every day in your bathroom? As we move down, this is another one of our large national competitors. We'll call this tub 3. Again, not a whole lot of attention to detail on this bathtub. Story behind this particular tub, it was actually removed to put in one of our Ella's Bubbles walk-in bathtubs. Has some nice grab bars built in, but truly, do I want to walk into my bathroom every day and see this bathtub? I'd rather not if there was a better option available.